Hello and welcome. Let me ask you a question. How many times over the last 12 months you felt like traveling was like second nature for you? Jumping on a plane to go from place A to place B for holidays or business. Now let me ask again. How many times over the last 12 months you felt like traveling was second nature for you? Jumping on a plane to go from place A to place B for holidays or for business. Truth is, we have changed the way we make those choices. We have changed the way we prioritize travel. What we need to do is to understand what triggers those choices today to really and truly embark on a travel recovery journey. A business should first and foremost look at what these choices are, what motivates them, and what can we do to best help our travelers of today to feel confident and travel again. Travel recovery is high on everyone's agenda, and the industry is strategizing and planning towards restarting tourism. But at the core of every single successful strategy, we fail to recognize that it's understanding the core needs of the travelers of today that will make that travel recovery strategy successful. And it will bring the results that the industry operators need today. In my hospitality career, I've been a PR manager, a communication manager, a marketing manager. I'm a communicator, but most importantly, I've been that person in charge of creating that brand message that would resonate with the audience and inspire them to travel again. Today, this is not happening, and I know the struggle. I know why it's not happening. When we fail to ask the right questions, when we fail to look into what motivates the travel choices of today and what matters to them, not as travelers, but as individuals first, as people. When that all fails, we are not able to communicate on a message that resonates with our audience. And guess what happens? A brand loyalty shock. A brand loyalty shock has happened across the industries over the past 12 months. But the tourism industry has been heavily affected by this. Consumers sitting at home, grounded on their sofas, have not been able to buy their travel products as they were used to. They have not been able to make the choices that they used to make and used to feel as second nature. So all we needed to do is to speak their language, a language based on empathy, compassion, understanding. As communicators in the hospitality and tourism industry, it is our responsibility to take this seriously and to take into consideration all the reasons why our brand message, it's not resonating with today's travelers. Only when we do that, we start to speak their language, a language of compassion, empathy, and understanding. At the core of a successful travel recovery strategy, we need to put our travelers' needs. We need to understand their choices. We need to ask the right questions. We need to reconnect with them. And only after we have asked the right questions and reconnected with them, we're then able to structure that message that will bring them back to us. The hospitality industry, the tourism, the operators, our travel product, our hotels, our destinations. When we speak directly to the needs of our customers, they feel heard and they feel understood. So when they are ready to make their travel choices, who do you think they will go to? My name is Dolores Semeraro, and I've been working in the hospitality industry for the past 15 years. I'm a communicator and a travel recovery strategist, helping companies in the hospitality and tourism industry to restore the travel confidence of their customers.